What's good, YouTube? It is your boy G1G NIGEL back here with another video, and today we're gonna be taking a POV drive in my homeboys 392 Scat. Hope this nigga don't kill me.
I love my life.
But like I said, I'm waiting on him to pull up. I'm gonna be taking a drive with him. If this is your first time seeing him on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. Now let's go. Boy, now pulled up. Hey man. Boy, Scat looking mean, boy. Boy, looking mean with it, man. Boy, looking mean with it, man. Ooh. Man. Oh my God, boy. Oh, put my seatbelt on. This nigga finna kill a nigga in this bitch. This nigga here, boy. I fuck with this shit. I fuck with it.
This shit's right.
When the last time you drove your car like that? You know, you really be chilling.
Boy, chilling bad. Shit. Probably about 6 months ago.
6 months? So you telling me you be driving a bit like grandpa most of the time?
Ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Trying to go green, ain't it? What year this is? 20. 20? Oh yeah, you bet money, fam. You bet money, fam. How bad if I can't hold the camera? No? Oh shit, boy. They know what's up. Yeah, we somewhere in Mexico, just letting y'all know. We in Mexico. We in Mexico. We in Mexico. So you gonna get another done your exhaust?
Not right now.
So you say you got the 3-inch tips. You still got your cap.
Still got the kids.
Sound about right. that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it, man. Had my boy Walt pull up. I go follow my boy, man. Boy got one of the cleanest, most not doing too much scat around here, man. Like I said, it's a lad little walk around. Man. Hey, look, shout out to me though, cause like I'm the one told you to go with the yellow.
You did, bro. Hey, tell him where I was gonna go. Baby powder blue.
Now I ain't gonna lie, now he would've went baby powder blue. I still think it would've been tough. Put all his socials down below in the description. Y'all make sure y'all go follow that boy. And until next time, y'all gotta stay safe out here. Bless up.